Okay, so today on Bamp's backyard, Bamp's is taking us fishing.
Hi people, we're on the Isinglass River.
What kind of fish are you hoping to catch, Bamp's?
They're kind of play in the water.
Well, let's see if we can find any.
Well,
So
I'm
I
trying.
see your bobber's going downstream.
Yeah,
Here he goes.
just sitting there bobbing and weaving.
I'm trying to show the people. Do. Do you have any fishing tips for people?
Let's see. Well, fishing tips for today. Get your license.
Oh, good. You got
You already
yours.
caught? Oh, I got mine. You don't be caught without your license because I think it's a $50 fine now.
Oof.
So I got my saltwater license and I got my freshwater. So
So you're safe for fishing.
I'm safe. I'm safe. And I got Bamp's backyard hand sanitizer with me.
Well, that's good. You don't know if these fish have coronavirus.
You don't. I'm watching it at all times. If they do, I'm going to come out swinging.
I see no fish in this water, but
Yeah.
that doesn't mean anything.
No, we'll do this for a while, then we'll move down further. We'll hang around. And
Here's the river. That's very peaceful today.
it's kind of nice.
It's beautiful. It's a beautiful day down in this river.
In the neighborhood.
Oh, well, in our neighborhood,
True.
in Bamps' backyard, it's beautiful.
Yeah, it's always beautiful in Bamp's backyard.
Oh, look, there's tiny little ones in the water.
Little fishies.
They're too small to catch.
It's like little froggies maybe coming around.
You hear a lot of the peepers.
Yeah, a lot of frogs coming down the trail.
Mm-hmm.
Come out of the mud.
Yeah. Oh, there was a sound. We're going to keep it peaceful for a minute. See if you can help us identify the sounds of the nature. Ready? That's a Bamp sound.
Oh, that's me.
Oh.
That's always a sound there. Yeah.
Bamps, you are a handsome devil.
Ain't that the truth? And I'm some kind of handy too.
Oh, it's awesome. I'm a lucky lady.
Yes, you are.
There goes your bobber.
Yeah,
Here
not
it
much going
is,
on.
everyone.
We're going to reel it back in and cast it back out. Then we're going to go down further maybe.
Oh, here comes Bamps' bobber. Wow. No.
Let's just toss it out there a little further.
Oh,
What happens?
I'm gonna
Just stay
back
right
up
there,
a-
don't move.
Okay, here goes Bamps. Whoosh. Cast away, Bamps.
Let's see what happens.
Here goes Bamps' bobber down the stream again, following the current. Here it goes.
Oh, the birds are out.
That's a distinct chirp. I wonder what it is. Brittany, you would know. What is that?
Yeah. Where are you,
Oh.
Brittany? Get out here and identify these birds.
Where are you? We need you, Brittany. We see
Look
some
at that
birds.
tree, chock full of bobbers.
Oh,
That
jeez.
branch. Maybe we can climb out there and get them.
Yeah. I don't know if you guys can see them at home. Here goes Bamps' bobber. It's making its way down the river.
Oh, I told everybody, I got some lures on order. They should be here today and tomorrow. I ordered them online.
Oh, good.
So we're going to see how that works out when they get here.
When they get here, we have to wash them with our disinfectant wipes.
Yeah, we'll wash them in the wipes, put them in the toilet, slosh them around.
Anything that will help.
Can't hurt. Yeah. I bet that water's some kind of cold today.
Want me to have you test it?
No, well, if I go, you're going, don't worry. So, careful. You start getting foolish, you're going to go in with me.
Well, you know, it won't be the first time.
No, it won't be the last time.
Ooh. Here's a leaf. I see some twigs and leaves flying down the water.
Yeah, there's a lot of them.
A lot of twigs and leaves. I don't see many fish.
No, there's not much. I don't think there's going to be a whole lot out here. That's okay. We can pull my little bobber in. We can walk down the trail a little bit further, see what happens.
Maybe we'll find something exciting to share.
Yeah.
Like what? Here goes another beautiful leaf.
Some beech nuts. There's a lot of beech nuts.
There's a lot
around
of beech
here. A lot
nuts,
of beech
yeah.
nut trees around here.
Yep. Yep.
A lot of acorns.
Yeah.
Two knuckleheads out in the woods. I know that.
Here we are. Here
That's us, Kitty.
we are. Oh, All right, we'll be back later.
See
Have a good day.
ya.
Say it again.
See ya.